Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Cooking eggs on stainless steel can feel a bit intimidating, right? It's common for them to stick, turning what should be an easy meal into a messy cleanup. But I'm here to tell you it's absolutely doable and quite simple once you know a few key tricks. Let's unlock the secret to perfectly non-stick eggs every single time without the need for a special pan. First things first, make sure your stainless steel pan is impeccably clean. Any residual food or oil can create sticky spots. Next, the most crucial step is preheating. Place your pan over medium to medium-high heat and let it get hot. You'll know it's ready when a drop of water skitters across the surface, forming a little ball rather than evaporating immediately. This is called the Leidenfrost effect, and it's your sign that the pan surface is ready to repel food. Now, let's talk about oil. You'll want something with a high smoke point, like avocado oil, grapeseed oil, or even clarified butter. Once your pan is perfectly heated, pour in enough oil to generously coat the bottom, perhaps a tablespoon or two. Swirl it around, making sure it covers every part where your egg will touch. Let the oil heat up for just another 30 seconds or so, until it's shimmering slightly but not smoking. With your pan and oil perfectly preheated, it's time for the star, the egg. Gently crack it and slide it directly into the center of your shimmering oil. Immediately reduce the heat to medium-low or low. This prevents the bottom from overcooking while the top sets. Cook until the whites are fully opaque and the yolk is exactly how you like it, whether it's runny or firm. You'll notice the edges easily release from the pan. And there you have it. Your egg, cooked perfectly on stainless steel, should slide effortlessly from the pan onto your plate. No sticking, no scraping, just a beautiful, delicious egg ready to enjoy. Plus, because nothing's stuck, cleaning your pan will be a breeze. A quick wash with soap and water, and it'll be sparkling clean for your next culinary adventure. Happy cooking and enjoy those easy-peasy eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.